Hey everybody, I'm Brody from Panama City Beach Harley-Davidson in the parts department. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the jack that we're offering, the Harley-Davidson jack. And whoa, bring your brother back. Bring him back down. All right, folks, here today I'm showing you the new Harley-Davidson motorcycle lift. This is a must for the do-it-yourselfer, the maintainer, somebody that likes to keep their bike clean. It's very versatile. It comes just as you see it. There's a little slight assembly that is required, 2 bolts to put the bracket on and the foot pump. And as you see, it is self-pumping, quite easy to do. This will hold any motorcycle that we have, that we offer in our line, to include touring bikes. You can keep your motorcycle serviced, clean, and the oil pan can fit under here so you can do your own oil changes. You can maintain the motorcycle, keep it clean. Comes with the straps. Once the straps are on, as you see, you can also move the motorcycle around your garage, your work center, whatever you need to do. Okay, so come and see us. It's available here today for you. We keep them in stock.